Welcome to our channel, where we believe that elegance isn't just about what you wear, but how you present yourself. Today, we're diving into 6 grooming habits that will elevate your appearance and boost your confidence. These tips are tailored to help you look and feel your best. Let's get started. Number 1. Mastering skincare. Your skin is the canvas of your face. A consistent skincare routine is essential for a clear, youthful complexion. Begin with a gentle cleanser suited for your skin type, be it oily, dry, or combination. Follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and supple. Exfoliation is key. Aim to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week to remove dead skin cells and prevent clogged pores. Don't forget sunscreen. Applying a broad-spectrum SPF daily protects your skin from harmful UV rays and prevents premature aging. Remember, a well-maintained face is the first step to a polished look. Number 2. Hair care and styling. Your hair speaks volumes about your grooming habits. Regular haircuts are crucial. Aim for a trim every 4 to 6 weeks to maintain shape and prevent split ends. Choose a hairstyle that complements your face shape and personal style. Invest in quality hair products, shampoos, conditioners, and styling gels or creams that suit your hair type. For those with facial hair, regular trimming and conditioning are essential. Remember, your hair is your crown, wear it well. Number 3. Nail and hand care. Well-groomed hands and nails are often overlooked, but are crucial in making a lasting impression. Keep your nails trimmed and clean. Regularly moisturize your hands to prevent dryness and cracking. Consider a professional manicure occasionally, especially before important events. Clean, well-kept nails reflect attention to detail and personal care. Your hands tell a story, make sure it's a good one. Number 4. Oral hygiene and smile. A bright, confident smile is one of your most attractive features. Brush your teeth at least twice a day and floss daily to maintain oral health. Using mouthwash can help reduce bacteria and keep your breath fresh. Regular dental checkups are important for overall oral hygiene. A healthy mouth not only boosts your confidence, but also enhances your overall appearance. Smile often, it's your best accessory. Number 5. Fragrance selection. Your scent leaves a lasting impression. Choose a fragrance that complements your personality and the occasion. Lighter, citrus-based scents are perfect for daytime, while deeper, woody notes are suited for evening wear. Apply fragrance to pulse points, wrists, neck, and behind the ears for a subtle yet lasting effect. Remember, less is more. A few spritzes are all you need. Let your scent speak volumes before you say a word. Number 6. Dressing with purpose. Clothing is an extension of your personality. Dress appropriately for the occasion, ensuring your clothes fit well and are in good condition. Tailoring can make a significant difference in how your clothes fit and how you feel. Invest in timeless pieces that can be mixed and matched. Pay attention to details like matching belts and shoes, and ensure your clothes are clean and pressed. Your outfit is your first impression. Make it count. Incorporating these 6 grooming habits into your daily routine will not only enhance your appearance, but also boost your confidence. Remember, elegance is not about perfection. It's about presenting the best version of yourself. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more grooming and fashion tips. Stay polished, stay confident.